Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to transfer file from one folder to another using Apache NiFi with the help of the GetFile and PutFile processors. So first of all, I'm going to start the Apache NiFi. To do so, open the folder where Apache NiFi is installed on the system. Inside the NiFi installation folder, open the bin folder. This folder contains the script used to start and stop the NiFi service. Then click on the address bar here, type cmd and press enter. This opens the command prompt. In the command prompt, type nifi.cmd space start and press enter. This command starts the NiFi service in the background. Once NiFi starts successfully, it will run on the local server. But NiFi is a large file, so after it is running successfully, please wait patiently for 3 to 4 minutes. And then open the web browser and in the address bar type https://localhost:8443 and press enter. Sometimes the browser shows a security warning because NiFi uses a self-signed certificate when running locally. This is normal. So click advanced and then click proceed to localhost. Now the Apache NiFi login page will appear. The username and password are automatically generated when NiFi starts. To find them, go back to the NiFi installation folder, open the logs folder, and open the file called nifiapp.log or NiFi app. Inside the file, search for generated username and password. Copy these credentials and use them to log in. After logging in, the NiFi canvas opens. The canvas is the workspace where we create and manage data flows using processors. Now, I'll create a simple workflow that transfers a file from one folder to another. That means from source to destination folder. To do so, I will add two processors to the canvas. Click on the processor icon in the toolbar and search for a processor called GetFile. Then select the GetFile processor and add it to the canvas. Next, add another processor called PutFile. The GetFile processor is used to read files from the source directory, and the PutFile processor is used to write files into a destination folder. Before configuring these processors, I am going to create two folders in my system. One folder will act as the source folder and the other will act as the destination folder. In my system, I'll create two folders named GetFile folder and PutFile folder. The GetFile folder will contain the file that NiFi will read, and the PutFile folder will store the file after it is transferred by NiFi. Now, right-click the GetFile processor and open the configuration settings. Then I will change the run schedule property to 1 second. This means the processor will check the folder for every 1 second to see if any new files are available. Then in the properties for input directory, I'm going to paste the path of the GetFile folder. If you want to get the path of the GetFile folder, right click on the folder and select copy as path. Remove the double quotes for the path. By default, the keep source file is false, which means the file is transferred from the source folder to destination folder. And if you write it true, it means the file is copied from the source file to destination folder. It means there will be a copy in the source folder also. And since I am transferring a file from source folder to destination folder, I am going to keep it by default false. Then check for the verification. And as you can see, the complete verification is passed. So click apply. In the same way, right click on the PutFile folder and open the configuration settings. Copy the path of the PutFile folder and paste it in the directory property. Don't forget to remove the double quotes. Then click verification. And you can see the complete verification is passed. For this also, I'll change the run schedule from 0 seconds to 1 second. And for this, in the relationships, I'm going to click terminate when it is failed or also even if it is success. Then click OK. And after completion of the configuration of the both processors, connect the GetFile processor to the PutFile processor. While connecting them, set the success relationship. This means whenever GetFile successfully reads a file, it changes that file to the PutFile processor. Now right click on the processor and start the processes and wait for a couple of seconds. And we can see the file is transferred from the GetFile processor to PutFile processor. Now, if I open the destination folder, you can clearly see that the file has been transferred from the GetFile folder to the PutFile folder using Apache NiFi. So this is a simple demonstration of transferring files using the GetFile and PutFile processors in Apache NiFi. Thank you for watching this video.